Hi there, my name is Brian. Let me show you how to connect a Shopify store to H4GIO. It's pretty simple. Just follow the steps. Open your Shopify backend and click on Apps. Afterwards, click on the underlined text, Manage Private Apps, and Create Private App. Open H4GIO in a new tab and navigate to the documentation. Select Connect Store and click on the right corner on Shopify. Navigate back to your store backend and give in the app name and developer mail. Set up the app permissions now. Set the webhook version to July 2020. Then click on Save and Create App. The API credentials have now been created. Open the H4G documentation and click on the logo on the left top corner. Log into your H4G account. Then go to the dashboard. Drag and drop your slot to the dashed area. If you have subscribed to multiple compatibility, then click on Shopify. Give in your store URL and select your base currency. Copy the new created API secrets from your store backend and paste the information to H4G. Click on the blue Connect button. Select your location. If you have installed a Burlo before, you may see the location created by the app here. Do not choose this one. It's better to select your company address. Otherwise, it will lead to conflict. Click on Select Location. Your store is connected now to H4GIO. In the next episode, Michael will explain how to import categories and products. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to keep up to date.